All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a terrific Thursday. Hope you're doing well. The market is doing nothing really, down 6.25%, 6.25 points, down 0.12%. Nothing burger. Light volume looks like. The VIX is at 12 handles, AD negative 86. Nothing to see here really. Just kind of going down a little bit, which is good for our positions. And let's look at the big green monster. Big green monster says, hey, we are fairly priced. I was expecting that we would hit at some point in the next 5 to 10 days the 5,400 mark. So that's probably on tap, but we are fairly priced. Let's look at the linear regression. We're still trying to figure out if we want to bump outside of this little consolidation area, and not yet. No consolidation drop pick out yet. We'll look for 2 candles to go outside before we figure out if we're going to go up or we're going to go down. Okay, so we're just in this consolidation period. All right, so let's see our little account's doing today. So we were at, let's see, today is the 6th. It is my birthday eve. I will be 54 tomorrow. Cannot wait. Very excited about the possibilities. So we are at, oh, wow. We bumped up a lot here, y'all. We are at 273, 700.08. Fire up the band, Rico. Look at there, we're at $2,200 just from the other day. We're up $29,000 from the start of the year. Look at us making profits. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Greeks and ratios, we are at 234, 127. 234, 127. Oh, something must have happened. 234, 127. Look at all that data that's gone. Waka waka. VIX is at 12. And then we're going to go our buying power is 76, 127. All right, so what does that say? Well, it says that we're good here, we're low here, and we're good there. Now, we must have had some GTC orders fill or something, surely. Let's see what happened here. So let's go and look at our little thing here, and let's go to activity, and we'll go to field in the last 14 days. Aha! Look at this. So we had some GTCs. This one was on June the 3rd. So we probably already know about that, right? But then we had, look at this, y'all. We bought 25 loans, y'all. 25 loans at $1.55. Wow. 38.50s, $1.55. And this was yesterday. 38.50s, $1.55. So let's go find that. 38.50s. 38.50s. So that means these BSH 22. And we did the 38.50s. And we said we did 25 of them. Let's see. Yes. 25 loans. Puts long hedge. And it would have been 51 days yesterday. 6/5/24. $1.55. Wow. That is amazing. Look at that, y'all. They're really good, isn't it? Uh-oh, 38.50s. So let's go put the 38.50s and the 3900s at 50 days into the BSH 22. Let's go find them. So let's go positions. Let's find them. BSH 22. BSH 22. If I can find it. Here we go. So let's ungroup these. Then we'll go up here and we'll do the 15. No, where'd they go?
I think you're in the wrong BSH there, Bobby.
What do you think?
Maybe you did 3 instead of 22.
Oh, did I do BSH 3 instead of 22?
Yeah, I think so.
So this was BSH 3, the one here?
23.
BSH
23, yeah.
23. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, so let me find BSH 22. Here it is. So we'll ungroup those. Now there they are. So those two will be BSH 22, right? All right, let's see what else we had on our little activity here. So we also we harvested 6 at 22 days, and we harvested the 3550s. Let's see what that looks like. The 3550s, 22 days. 3550s here, 22 days. Good. For 20 cents. So that is, today is, it was yesterday, I mean, 6/5/24. All right, so that means that's 2 tranches there, plus 5 tranches there. So I could probably sell 7 tranches if I wanted to. 7 times 3. Let's do that. So let's just start another one. And we'll go out past 60 days here. There's a 57. There's an 85. Let's see about this 85 right here. See if we got some $3 ones in here. Oh crap. Let me log out and log back in. Little buggy. Tasty trade is we have to log back in a time or two to get everything to work. Now remember, what we're looking at is to do this at 60 days or more. So let's move these things here and move this. So make this bigger. Make this ES. And where we want to go? We want to go 60 days or more. So, get on the right thing here. Mega. Yep. So let's go 85 days. See if we got anything down there at the $3 mark. There we go. 37.50s. And we could sell 21 of those, y'all. 7 tranches. I said 7. -20, -21 for 310, let's say. God, it's blotchy today, isn't it? There we go. So we sold them for 310, 37.50s, 85 days out. 37.50s, 85 days out. 37.50, 85 days out. D-Day, y'all. 80 years. Isn't that crazy? Yes. We sold 21. So we'll call this BSH 26. And we'll go put short hedge. And we did that for 310. So 21 of those BSH 26. So let's go to positions. BSH 26. Here we go. No, that's not it. Here we go. Was it the 37.50s? Yeah. BSH 27. Is that right? BSH 26. Group positions. BSH 26. All right, let's go back to trade tab. 85 days. Let's find them and put our in our GTC orders. So we know we want to close this when they're at 20 cents. 0.20 and GTC. Even sand. And then we want to buy 7 tranches, 35. See how we're building these things up, y'all? We want to buy 35 of these when we can do so for $1.55. BTC. Now let's see if we got any more that we need to take off. So this is the mega account. Let's see. Auto close signal. Anything telling me I need to close? Nope. But I do want to get rid of all the closed positions here. So to do that, go here, do this, and then just show your blanks, and that'll just show you your open positions. There we go. So I think we need to put on a trade now. 111. Lots of moving parts, y'all. I know it's difficult. If you're brand new, you're sitting there going, what the crap? Just stay with us. All right, so ES, we want to go 120 days, so that'll be 116 days. We want to sell something that's a 10% probability of being in the money, 4,900s. No. Replace and 29.25. All right, so we sold the 4,900 for 29.25. Make sure that's right. 4,900, 29.25. Yeah. 4,900 for 29.25. ES, we did 1, and this one's going to be NP, looks like 36, puts, naked, 116, control colon. There we go. Now we got to put our put debit spread in. So ES, we're going to do one of them. We're going to call him PDS 36. Puts debit spread 116. Control colon. And we don't know how much we're paying for it. So let's put him in here. So now let's go trade. And here we are in the 116. So remember what we've doing is we've been putting these things at different places so they don't overlap strikes. So that's fine. 33.50, 5,300 for $13. Sounds good to me. Probably won't fail. So we'll probably have to go grab him and go up to 13 and a quarter or 13. Oh, we got filled for 13. Look at us. All right, so we did the 53.50s for 13. 53.50s for 13. All right, so now let's go get the 4,900. He's NP 36. NP 36. I thought he was at 116 days. 4,900 right here. NP 36. And then it was the 53.50, 5,300s, PDS 36. PDS 36. Now, y'all, what we went through is very complicated if this is your first time. Don't lose hope. Stay with us for 2 weeks, and I think you'll be where you got. But this was kind of complicated, right? You got a lot of different moving parts on this thing. But look, it works, y'all. Look, we're only up $83,000 for the year. It works, right? What we're doing works. You just gotta know what you're doing. So a lot of GTC moving parts with the Black Swan hedge and just consistently putting on trades. But remember, here's where you need to remember: all your decisions are made from this level here. Now let's see what our Gregson ratios are. So now we're at 373, 285. 373, 285. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that great? Oh my gosh. Just look right where it needs to be, 0.10%. That's beautiful. So we should be making $285 a day. A day. So let's say the 76, 127 is going to be, yeah, requirement. Let's move this around. Let's do this. So now we're at 123.5. Look at that. Dang, look at that. You can correct the black flashes by clicking on the gear, then general, then change the font size, then change it back. Oh, cool, Jane. Thanks for sharing that. I didn't know you could change the font size. Is the font size big enough for y'all? Let's see this. Let's see how to do that. Click on the gear for this gear. And where's it at? General. Where's the font size? Zoom level. Is that it? Sound, chart, wall space, anyway. There you go. All right, guys, good session today. Thanks for staying with me. It's I know it's complicated at times, but anyway, y'all have a good rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.